Finding a replacement universal joint isn't always easy. With a few measurements, our universal joint selector can help. First, remove the bearing caps from your universal joint. Next, measure the cross length of the U-joint using the ruler along the side of the tool. Be sure to measure the part to the closest 1/16 of an inch. Now move the slide inside of the tool up or down to find your U-joint cross length measurement. You may need to flip the tool over to find your size. In addition to cross length, you may also need to know the bearing cap size to identify the correct part number. There are 3 common types of bearing caps: plain, grooved, and slotted. In some cases, it may also be necessary to measure the bolt hole to bolt hole distance of the bearing wing mount, center to center, to identify your U-joint. By matching the cross-length bearing cap type and/or wing bearing mount measurement, you should be able to identify a GMB universal joint part number. Here's the process again, step by step. As you can see, after measuring and looking up the cross length of this U-joint, there are several possible part numbers. To find the correct one, the bearing cap width has to be measured as well. By matching up the cross length, bearing cap type, and bearing cap width on the tool, a part number is found. Learn more about GMB universal joints at gmb.net.